If you see the Huawei Cloud backup failed notification, it can raise concerns about your data. This video covers practical solutions to fix the issue and protect your valuable files. Part 1. Why Huawei Cloud backup fails when I need it the most. Weak Wi-Fi or unstable internet, full cloud storage, outdated system app, incorrect Huawei ID, battery optimization, large data size, system glitches, third-party app interference, corrupted backups, Huawei Cloud server issues. Part 2. How to fix Huawei Cloud backup failed in 10 easy ways. Fix 1. Use stable Wi-Fi, restart router or switch networks. Fix 2. Update software and settings system and updates. Fix 3. Disable battery optimization for Huawei Cloud in settings battery app launch and set to manage manually. Fix 4. Ensure you're logged in with the correct Huawei ID. Log out and back in to refresh permissions. Fix 5. Backup in smaller batches, like photos, videos, then app data, to avoid timeouts. Fix 6. Clear cache in settings apps cloud storage to fix backup errors. Fix 7. Restart your phone to clear glitches and retry the backup. Fix 8. Delete failed backups in Huawei Cloud Backup and restore managed backups. Then start fresh. Fix 9. Contact Huawei support if the issue persists for advanced troubleshooting. Part 3. How to use the best Huawei Cloud alternative for smooth backups. Want to avoid the inconvenience of Huawei Cloud backup failures? Mobikin Backup Manager for Android Win and Mac, also known as Android Backup and Restore, can be a practical option for Android users. How can I back up my Android phone without Huawei Cloud using Mobikin Backup Manager for Android? Install and launch the software, then connect your Android phone via USB. Enable USB debugging. Select Backup, choose data types, set storage location, and click Backup. FAQs about Huawei Cloud Backup. Q1. Why does backup fail? Large files may time out. Backup in parts. Q2. Can apps block backups? Yes. Disable security apps or VPNs. Q3. How to reset backup. Remove failed backups and restart. Q4. Mobikin versus Huawei Cloud. Mobikin offers better control,